You make an impact everywhere you go.
Well,
Especially like when you come here to the campus, I notice you go into all those classrooms and you're weaving your way around through the kids.
I
And
do love
didn't you
talking
have
to
a
them.
pretty cool experience yesterday?
Yeah, it was just walked down the hall, and then I went ahead and cut off into the paint and body part of it. Everybody was at lunch and stuff. So that was my opportunity to uninterrupted see what's going on. I looked at all the cars, and I'm kind of being snoopy to see how the school is doing. Like I said, looking at the cars, I can tell you how the instructors are and et cetera. So I was blown away when I say the quality and the cleanliness of the work it's stepped up a few notches. It's actually doing better than it was 6 years ago. I mean, it's like, wow, these kids are getting taught correctly, because when I'd walk through my shop, I was constantly looking at stuff like to see what kind of quality they're doing and stuff. Because you have to, your name's on there. You got to do quality work. Well, while Tech's name's on there, I'm looking at it going, that really, really is amazing. It looks great. So then they come back from lunch, and then I went and talked to the students, and there again gave my 2 cents and just let them know how they have a great opportunity right now.